So guys, in 1 minute, ready to use na siya. Let's just wait. Instruction naman dito. So ito yung ginawa ko. After ko malagay, ito yung ginawa ko. And then scan and then wait for 60 minutes. And after that, ayan. Ano na siya guys. Pero bakit signal loss? Why? Oh, why? Okay. Then view. Naka-Deutsch kasi glucose, Wert, anzeigen. So, view glucose. So, I have now 99. So, may mga meaning dito, oh. May mga arrows and it's meaning. So, dito. Okay, yun yung mga choices. Rapid-acting insulin, long-acting insulin, yung mga notes. Tapos, food, pag nakain ka. Tapos, exercise and medication. Yun siya yung mga ano. Saan yung settings? May sabi kasi na may settings. Ayan. Press mo pala dito. Tapos setting. May mga alarms dyan. Alarms pag in-off ko na lang. Signal loss. Kasi mag-a-attend kami ng kasal and then I don't want that mag-iingay siya bigla. System sounds. Volume. Make it low. Off ko muna siya. Hey. Hey, what's up? Vibration off, touch sounds off. Okay. Date and time. So, it's already 14:04 and it's 31 July 2025 today. It's done. And that's it. And, oh, from 99 nag 100. Tapos, andito yung charger niya. Naka-ano pa naman siya. Di full charge, pero mahabang buhay pa yan. So, no need to charge pa. But I'll prepare this charger. So, finally, hindi ko na kailangan magtusok ng tusok. Once na lang a day. Pag ano na lang, pag Northern or the fasting blood sugar, yun yung need ko. So, humain ako. I forgot what time, but nag-alarm ako kanina, nag-check ako, and result was 136, and then after 1 hour was 99 or 100. So, okay naman yung sugar ko after 2 hours. Tumataas siya minsan pag kumakain ako ng maraming rice or ice cream, cookies, mga ganun. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.